Hi, welcome to the video training series. Today we're going to show you how to register as a new user onto the platform. Now you would have received from either your employer, client services, or a financial advisor, agent representative you've been working with, a registration username and password. So I'm going to just go with the ones I created for this demo. Let's hit log in. So here it's going to take you to the registration page, and this is where you have to personalize some of this information. And depending on whether or not we received any profile information in advance from your employer or a third-party administrator or a financial advisor, some of this information might already be preloaded for you, but if it is not, you'll have to type the data fields in. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is to change your username. And this kind of creates the personalization for subsequent logins to the application. You're going to use your own unique username and password. So I'm going to just call this my retirement ! And I'm going to create a password. By the way, the username has to be can be no more than 18 characters. So you can use letters and numbers and symbols, but you are limited up to 18 characters, so it can't be longer than that. For the password, a similar structure is in place. You can use up to 8 characters, but no more than 16, and it is case sensitive, and you can use symbols and letters as well, or numbers. So I just save this off to the side. So going down, my address is already on file here, but like I said earlier, if we didn't have your profile information preloaded, you're going to have to type this information in. You can easily check a box to say my mailing address is the same as my primary address, or you can provide a different mailing address if you'd like. You already have a phone number on file. One of the data points that is really important that we get, so we do have as required, is an email address. And the reason for that is we use a lot of triggering events or notifications in the system around that activity for you to confirm, or just that you're aware of activity going on regarding your account. My birth date and hire dates are already in here. Gender is already preloaded in here from census information. I'm going to say I am married. Then we get down to security questions. You can use this drop-down menu to select what question you'd like to use. I'm just going to leave it at what street I grew up on. And I'll just call that Main Street. And I'll just keep what's your favorite pet's name. I'll say that's just dog. Then it's going to ask me to pick a site key. We use site keys to personalize and make sure that it's you when you put in your username and password that you just created. What site key image did you associate with that? And that's just an additional security measure. So I'll just check the pencils. I'll confirm I'm not a robot. Select all the cars with, all the images with cars. I think I got them all. And then I can just hit submit. So my platform registration is complete, and it'll say click continue to log in. So I'll just hit continue, and the first thing I'm going to get is just kind of a overall terms of usage because of all the privacy and security things that go on out there. We're going to have this consent to e-delivery of documents. As you can see, you can scroll through and read this. We do populate this with the email address that you provided, and then here's all of our privacy rules and everything. You can download these agreements and save them or print them, whatever you'd like. And you can not agree or agree. I'm just going to agree. And that's it. I've now completed a new registration on the system. Our next video series will talk about get started. What do I do now that I'm registered?